Farmington River kids, Mr. Keller here, and this is the first installment of A Day in the Life of Mr. Keller. So welcome today to Mr. Keller's workshop, his wood shop. Let me give you a little tour. So here are some of the tools that I use. This is called a chop saw, but lots of different tools hidden away here. Over here is, come on over kids, over here is a wood lathe. This spins wood really fast, and I carve it like butter so I can make curly work like a candlestick. Over here, this tool is used for mortise and tenon work. This actually cuts a square hole inside of a piece of wood, not a round hole, and that's cool. Got a radial arm saw here for cutting wider boards, and of course my table saw. And here are some old tools that are sometimes over 100 years old, just for display. But right over here I've got something cool to show you. Oh, these are windows that actually go in my garden. I'm going to do another video of what these are actually, and I'm kind of restoring them right now. They're from the 1800s. But this piece over here I think you'll find interesting. If you can get a close-up of this, this is an 18th century foot warmer. Now on a cold night in your house and your room didn't have a fireplace and you wanted to keep your toesies warm, you use this box. You open it up, and inside there's a little metal pan. Now from the fireplace in the kitchen, the keeping room, you're going to get some hot coals, and you're going to put them in this pan and put them in this box. And then you close the box and you put this on the floor and you rest your feet on it, and the heat comes through the punch-tin holes and it heats your feet up. It's a nice foot warmer. So I decided I wanted to copy this museum piece, which was lent to me from a friend, and right now that's what I'm doing. I have pretty much the wood all done, and now I'm working on the tin box, and I'll be soldering things together and doing punch tin. I've got to put a front door in too that opens and closes, and of course I'll make that hot coal box too. But that's what I'm doing right now in Mr. Keller's wood shop. So thanks for joining me on our first installment of A Day in the Life of Mr. Keller. Everything's healthy and happy here, and I hope the same with you at home too. Get out and play, have some fun outside, get your wiggles out. But remember, check your email every day, as we are starting to send you your daily assignments starting next week. All right, bye kids, good to see you.